Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ratna and hope you're doing well today. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. This is a cooking segment and being Independence Day special, we will make Agra Petha that comes from the hometown of Taj Mahal. Please stay tuned. For this, we need 2.2 pounds or 1 kg ash gourd or winter melon. First, we need to peel off the skin and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Now, using a fork, we need to poke holes on all sides. After poking all the cubes, we need to wash them. Now, to a bowl, we need to add 4 cups of water and dissolve 1 teaspoon edible limestone or calcium carbonate. We need to soak the melons in this for 24 hours, stirring about every 4 hours. After 24 hours, we need to wash the melons thoroughly. Now we need to cook them for 15-20 minutes with just enough water. Once cooked, we need to make sugar syrup by adding 3 cups water and 3 cups sugar. Once sugar dissolves, we need to add 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 4 cardamoms. Now we need to move the cooked melons to the syrup and boil it for 20 minutes until it becomes glossy. After that, we need to air dry in a container. Following that, we can store it in a refrigerator and serve chilled. I love this dessert and I hope you'll too. That's all for today's segment. If you liked it, then please do subscribe. If you're okay with channel notifications, then press the bell icon. See you in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.